Welcome back, everyone. Today, Bill and Phil are making one of the simplest and tastiest breakfast ideas.
Get ready. Minimal ingredients, maximum flavor. Phil's already reaching for the tomatoes. This is going to look good.
Here, Phil slices 4 tomatoes into thick rings, clean and precise.
Perfect thickness. These rings hold their shape and look great in the pan.
Now comes the surgical part. He removes the tomato pulp without breaking the ring.
Perfect. Clean, fast, controlled. These tomato cups will hold the omelet later.
He chops the pulp. The finer you cut it, the better the texture becomes.
Straight into the bowl it goes. I love breakfast like this, simple, quick, and almost no dishes to wash.
2 eggs go in, and a good handful of chopped herbs. Classic.
If you're searching for simple breakfast ideas, you're in the right place.
And tell us in the comments which country you're watching from. We love seeing your flags.
Phil adds salt, herbs, and a spoonful of flour to bind it all.
Meanwhile, Bill grates 2 cloves of garlic. The aroma is already amazing.
The mixture is getting richer, thicker, and super appetizing.
Bill heats the pan with a piece of butter.
I love this moment. Melted butter always means something delicious is coming.
The butter is hot, and he places the tomato rings.
This recipe is so quick and simple, you have to save it for later.
Now 3/4 spoonfuls of the mixture go into each tomato ring.
Lid on for 5 minutes. The omelet will set perfectly.
And that smell? It's filling the whole house. Delicious torture.
Phil adds a sprinkle of fresh herbs.
And Bill tops it with cheese. Parmesan today. Sharp, aromatic. Perfect.
This is the kind of breakfast that makes mornings better.
Time for the taste test.
Juicy inside, a light crisp outside, and that cheese pull, restaurant level.
The tomato keeps its shape. The omelet is tender, and the garlic aroma is unreal.
This is the kind of breakfast you'll want to make every week. A true morning winner.